let's look at some useful terms for describing motion. Now, when we talk about motion, we can't just do without using some of these terms, okay? These terms best describe any object in motion, any object that is moving. So you may be hearing something like average speed, okay? Because you can't actually tell the instantaneous speed, okay? So we do more on the average speed of that object. Also, you may hear of something like instantaneous speed. Average speed can be said to be the total distance divided by the total time taken. Okay, it gives you the average speed. While the instantaneous speed is said to be the normal, is said to be the speed of that object at that particular time or that particular instance. So it's normally referred to as speed. Okay, which is if you are asked at what speed are you running, when you look at your dashboard, that gives you the instantaneous speed. Okay, but you may decide to move with a particular speed of, let's say, 50 kilometers per hour, and when you get to, that is the instantaneous speed. When you get to another junction or another section in your journey, you may decide to come down to 20 meters per kilometer per hour, depending on how the traffic is at that particular time. Now, when somebody asks, or when you want to give a summary of your journey, then we make use of average speed, which is the average of all the speeds being added together. All right. So we do that by adding up all the total distance divided by the total time taken for those journeys. Okay. While the instantaneous speed is the speed at that particular instance. You may also hear something like acceleration, which we say acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. So let's look at average speed. Average speed is defined by a mathematical relationship shown below. The average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken for those distances traveled. Okay, an average speed is measured in meters per seconds. Okay, so you may write it as meters per seconds, as in this case, meters per seconds, or this. Okay, whichever you use is still correct. In the classroom, average speed can be investigated for a trolley traveling down a ramp. Okay, so if you have this is a video. If this is a trolley and the trolley moves from this point, this ruler gives you the distance. Okay, this is a trolley and this is the runway. Now you have the ramp, okay, which the ramp tells you the time taken for the trolley to get to that point. Okay, to get to light gate, either 1 or 2, and the timer also gives you the time. It records the time. Okay, so this is how you can measure the average speed in a lab or in the classroom. Okay, and we have other videos, a real life example